New options in IronCAD 2023 Product Update 1 have been added to the configuration dialog. If we open up our dialog, we can see that we have our standard UI, but we've also added new commands for move up and move down. This allows you to reorder to give you a more logical order for your configurations. For example, we can move items down and we can move other items up in the order. This is useful for setting up common configurations at the top or more used configurations. But this is not only used in the dialog box, this also shows in our quick access for configuration, so we can quickly toggle to the most common or at least logical order configurations that we want to use. This is a very handy feature that's found in IronCAD 2023 Product Update 1.